Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a Redux tutorial on freeCodeCamp, combine multiple reducers. So we have a Redux store, and in this Redux store, we can have multiple reducers, not just one. And why do we even want multiple reducers? Well, each reducer keeps track of one state. And we can look at an example here. We have a counter reducer that keeps track of the counter state, and it takes in increment and decrement. And then we also have an auth reducer, and this keeps track of the authenticated state. And this actions don't correlate to this one. There's totally different states. So how do we use both of these reducers for our Redux? We can do the combine reducers method. And it looks like this, where we create a new reducer, and it combines the other ones with a key value pair as an object. So for this exercise, it wants us to combine them both, counter reducer and auth reducer, into the root. So let's get rid of the comment. And now to follow the syntax, we do redux.combine reducer, and it takes in an object. And for the first one, it wants us to use count for counter reducer. So count counter reducer. And next we do auth for auth reducer. And that's it for this one. Sorry, there's one S. And that's it for this one. Thank you so much.